Ruipuhua, established in 2004, located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province. Ruipuhua focused on the field of R&D design, manufacture, installation, and technical services. Our products are mainly applied in the fields of food, chemical, and medicine, covering all areas of China and more than 80 countries in the world. Has provided automatic production line solutions for more than 3,000 customers. Our company has been adhering to the innovative business philosophy. Focus on the research and development of intelligent equipment, technology in the domestic similar products leading level, and has been applied for more than 80 national patents. Passed on European CE and ISO 9001 quality system. In recent years, successively obtained the National High-Tech Enterprise, the National Invisible Champion, the Subdivided Industry Leading Enterprise, and other honors. As in 2016, participated in the preparation of the meat muffin industry standards have been officially implemented. In 2017, strategic cooperation with Taiwan Keed Company, which with more than 40 years of experience in the packaging industry, master the international advanced technology. In August 2018, Ruipuhua has been interviewed the CCTV2 Central Television Channel, Financial News Economy Half-Hour column. The theme is, Walk the Line to See the Economy. In February 2019, Ruipuhua became the leader of the National Working Group on Food Processing Machinery Standards.